So friends, I want to teach you about the life cycle of a butterfly. So first, a butterfly lays an egg. And the butterfly's smart and lays the egg on a leaf that the caterpillar likes to eat. Different caterpillars like to eat different types of leaves. The first thing the caterpillar does when it hatches, it eats the whole egg case. And then it starts eating all the leaves surrounding it. And it keeps getting bigger and bigger. Each time that little caterpillar grows, it splits its skin open and gets bigger and keeps eating and eating and gets bigger and bigger. And then again, it splits its skin open and gets bigger and bigger and eats and gets fatter and fatter. The caterpillar does it one last time. It splits its skin open and then it forms a hard shell around itself called a chrysalis. Could you say that word? Say it with me. Chrysalis. And then something magical happens. While it's inside that chrysalis, that hard shell, it's changing, it's metamorphosizing. Could you say that word? That means changing. Metamorphosizing or metamorphosis. And then it's changing into a beautiful butterfly. And guess what? If the butterfly is a female butterfly, it lays an egg. The caterpillar hatches and eats its egg sac. It eats and eats and eats and eats all the leaves around it. Keeps eating till it gets big and fat. And then it forms a hard shell around itself called a chrysalis. It stays inside and it's changing inside the chrysalis, emerges as a beautiful butterfly. And this is a life cycle. It keeps going around and around. The butterfly lays an egg. The egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis. Out of the chrysalis hatches a butterfly. The butterfly lays an egg. Out of the egg hatches a caterpillar. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis. Out of the chrysalis emerges a butterfly, and it keeps going and going. That is a life cycle. Could you think of another life cycle? Friends, remember we just learned all about plants? Well, here's a life cycle of a plant. First, there's a seed. And remember, seeds need sunlight and rain. There's some rain. And then the seed starts to sprout. You can see it. It's pushing its roots down into the ground. Then it gets a little bit bigger. Now it's a seedling. And you could see that the seed coat is split open. The roots are really grounding down to the ground. Remember, they act like big straws and suck up all the nutrients to the plant. And the plant's getting bigger and bigger. Then, can you guess what type of plant this is? Look at the picture. That's right, it's a tomato plant. Out of all of these flowers, tomatoes will grow. And do you know what's inside the tomato? Seeds. So if you plant a tomato seed and it gets sunlight and space and air and lots of water, it will sprout and grow into a seedling. And out of the seedling will become another tomato plant, which will grow tomatoes. And inside the tomato is a seed, into a sprout, into a seedling, to a tomato plant, and it keeps going and going. That's another life cycle. I'm going to teach you a little song about a caterpillar changing into a butterfly, and it goes like this. First, there's a butterfly who lays an egg. Can you make a butterfly? So take your hands, face them toward you, cross them over, and have your thumbs connect and hold each other like they're hugging. And move your fingers back and forth. You made a butterfly. So first there's a butterfly who lays an egg. Out comes a caterpillar with many legs. Make a caterpillar. Soon the caterpillar spins and spins. A little chrysalis to sleep in. Oh, 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 look and see. Oh, 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 look and see. Out of the chrysalis, my, oh my, Out comes a beautiful butterfly. Could you sing that again with me? First there's a butterfly who lays an egg. Out comes a caterpillar with many legs. See the caterpillar spin and spin, a little chrysalis to sleep in. Oh, 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 look and see. Oh, 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 look and see. Out of the chrysalis, my, oh my. Out comes a beautiful butterfly.